Hi there, welcome to ClassThink. I'm just taking a quick tour of the latest version of the Google Drive web app. Google have made a significant update to it in the last week or so. It's not currently available for all users, but will be shortly. So I just thought we'd have a look at it and see what the new features are. So you're currently looking at the old version of Google Drive, and if you're fortunate enough to be in the rollout plan, you'll find this new option in the settings menu, which is experience the new drive. So just by clicking that, we enable this, which is the funky new version of Google Drive. All the functionality is the same as before, except that a lot of the UI is different. So everything's a bit tidier, a bit neater, and the way the folders are displayed and files are displayed is ever so slightly different. I mean, the first thing you'll immediately notice is that when you do a single click on a file or a folder, it doesn't open the document. You actually need to do a double click, just like on a desktop operating system. And I think that's something that Google's tried to replicate here with quite a lot of the new features. Is they're trying to make this as similar to navigating a desktop folder on Windows or a Mac as they can, and I think they've actually done a pretty good job of it. Let's have a look at the photos folder I've got here. I've got some of my nice holiday photos. So you'll see that before sort of moving around files and copying and deleting them was a little bit awkward, but now you can use the same commands that you use on Windows on Mac as you do and you can in Drive. So if I want to, for example, select multiple files, I can hold Control and select the files I want, and then right click to move them or share them or download them or delete them. I can also hold Shift, select multiple files that way, and this is a really cool feature. I can drag a box around the photos as well and move them around, and so let's drop them into my work folder, and off they go. And there's just a few nice animations and that sort of thing in there as well. The other thing that you'll notice is this right-click menu. This is there was a right-click menu in the previous one, but the new version is much cleaner, it's much neater, and it's much easier to see what's available in the app. Or the other thing that's quite prominent is there used to be a shared with me folder down here, which would list any folders or files that have been shared with you from other users. Now that somebody changed that to call it incoming, which is an interesting change, and again that will list the same things in there. For some people that's probably going to make more sense, for others it won't. Also for UK users, this is normally called the bin rather than trash, and I don't know whether it's just a quirk of with my system at the moment, but mine's changed from bin to trash on here as well. So I don't know whether that's Google just trying to standardise on the settings. But overall, it's a really nice update. The reason I wanted to do a preview of it really is because we're just sort of rolling out Google Apps quite widely to all of our users and the school I manage. And I didn't want this to become an issue for them in terms of sort of getting familiar with it, and the changes sort of shocking users. But I think the changes are fairly subtle and it works really well. Another nice thing we've got is this breadcrumbs list at the top, so you can see the folder hierarchy as you navigate through. So that's new version of Google Drive. There are updates for the web apps, the mobile apps as well, rather, which also look really nice. So I'm really pleased with this. Happy with how neat and tidy it is, and let me know what you think. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments what you think of the new version of new version of Drive. Visit us on ClassThink. Thanks very much.